Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to fix network issue in Realme phone. So let us start our video. Then you have to see there was many different app icon shown in your mobile phone, like that you have to see here. You have to see in this way. Firstly, you have to move up and see there was many different app icons shown in your mobile phone, like that. And then firstly click on that setting icon, so click on here. After clicking on the setting icon, you have to see there was many options shown in your mobile phone, like that. You have to see here different option plays different function on your mobile phone. And then firstly you have to move on the additional setting option if you want to fix network issue in your mobile phone. So click on here additional setting. After clicking on here, you have to see here this type of icon in your mobile phone. See here there was many different options shown in your mobile phone. So firstly go on the backup and reset option, so click on here. And then you have to click on the reset option, factory reset option, click on here. Now click on the reset system setting, then enter your password. Again click on reset system setting, again click on here. After that restoring is in processing, so wait for some second to restore. After that system setting have been restored, so in this way network related issue is fixed in your mobile phone. So I hope this video helps you, so please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.